Hi, girls.
How are you
Glad to
guys
see you
doing?
figured out how to get in and out.
Can't tell your temperature for
Put
shit, but you
yourself,
sure stink.
put yourself away. It's
My
not very
car's
good
starting to
action.
smell like a chicken farm.
Come on, let's see some action, guys.
Big
Came to
car
check
action.
on them and they put themselves away. Good girls. You ready to come outside? Good job, Cheetah. Come on. Come on. You guys want to go outside?
They're just roosting,
They're just chilling.
basking in
You can do it. You
the
can do it.
freedom of being
Come
able to
on.
do what they want.
Well, it's not very exciting action, folks, but here they are, up close. Liza, smoking cheetah.
If I ain't
Come on,
mistaken,
guys, let's go. Let's see some action.
Smoke has more of a comb than the other two. That thing over its head.
Yes, I know what the comb is.
Yeah.
Liza, what you guys doing? What you doing? This is really not very
Smoke's
exciting.
wondering what the holdup is. These guys are in the way.
What's
She
happening?
likes to prance across the top and jump over here by the light and just fly out the door. She's looking for alternates.
Okay, not very exciting, but here they are. We'll probably get some better shots later. See you later, girls. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. All right. See you later.